Alright folks, I've been waiting a little while to get this and unbox it for you. This is the Oracle Lighting Oculus ColorShift for the 2022 Jeep Gladiator, part number 5839-334. Let's go on and open her up. Okay. Nice. I did opt to get the extra BC1 controller, so I do have 3 BC1 controllers for this. We'll get to these in just a second. And here is the headlights. Okay, continuing on. So we have the Oculus BC1 controllers here. There's 3 of them. This is what actually controls the Oculus through a phone connection, a phone app. It gives you 4 wires. One is for the halo ring, one's for the center of the light, another is another ring that goes around, and the last one will be for the headlight itself. Nice little sticker. Give you some caps in case you don't use all the ports, and the BC1 controller. We'll put these to the side. These 2 are just like that first box. Now for the main event. Whoa. Oracle Lighting sticker. Nice packaging, and there they are. Wonderful, beautiful headlights. They have the demon eye in the center. We're going to leave this on until we get them installed to keep the lens protected. Here's the back side. This is where you do some adjustments. It is IP67 rated. There's your stock connector for your Gladiator to plug in your headlights. And then here's your ColorShift lighting that will go to your BCM controller. Like I said, I got 3, so I can actually hook up zones to each different one, which will be very nice. They are clearly labeled. This one here says Demon Eye RGB number 3. That's for the center. This one's DRL driving mode. It's your driving lights. There'll be a white ring that goes around for when you start the vehicle. Inner halo RGB number 2, and outer halo RGB number 1. And they also give you hardware kit here. This is an add-a-fuse that we will be adding in later. Wiring for your halo light. Number 2, number 3. Comes with 3 of them. And then this will be your hot wire and ground wire for your headlight, for the color. This here is your add-a-fuse. Like I said, we will be going over that in more detail later. One for each headlight. It's another pack, just the same. There you have it.